Hello, welcome, episode 23. If you are watching this video for the first time, I will indulge you to check the playlist for statistics. We've done series of tutorial on this topic. We are only abreasting ourselves with some of the formulas we did in the previous episode. That's the application. So we are having the distribution of marks scored by some students in a text is given in this table. If the mean mark is given as this, we have to find the value of what? P. This simply means we are finding the mean, right? The mean formula is what we are going to use in solving this question. So the first thing to do is reconstruct the table, taking into account that mean equals to sigma fx over what? Sigma f. Meaning I need a column for f, which is already here. I need a column for fx. So I need 3 columns in order to find that this is the same as this. So from the table, the value of this to correspond to this. Okay, so if your table is drawn this way, don't forget we only 10 over this one. The only new column we have added is the fx, which is a requirement in the formula for the mean of the mean mark. All right, so it means that the x column multiply the f column to give us the fx. So right here, 1 times p plus 2 will remain 1 p plus what? 2. 2 is multiplying this as a binomial term, not multiplying only p, but into brackets, it will be p minus 1. You can see that 2 will multiply p and multiply the 2, making it 2p minus 2. Same here, 3, 2, 6p minus 9. 4 times this, 4p plus 16. That will be 15p minus what? 20. So we are multiplying that as what? A binomial term, not a single term. So we are going to add all of this. This will be p plus p, 2p, 4p, 5p. That will be 8p. Then 2 plus this will be 1. 1 plus this minus 2. Minus 2 plus this will be 2. Right? That is 2 plus this will be minus 2 also. Alright. What next? This is going to be p plus 2p, 3p, 9p, 13p, so 28p. Then I don't know whether it will be plus or minus. 2 minus 2, that will be 0. Minus 9 plus this, that will be, we take away 6, 7. 7 plus this, that will be negative 13. Alright, now we are done with the formula part of it. So this means that this value is given to us as what? 3 whole number 5 over 22. So let's focus from here and substitute. So here I'll be having 28p minus 13 divided by 8p minus 2 equals to, this time this is 66 plus this 71 divided by 22. So we need to cross multiply. When I cross multiply, I'll be having 22 multiplying 28p minus 13 equals to 71 multiplying 8p minus what? 2. Let's expand this and see. On the calculator, we should have 22 times 28. That will give us, okay, let's take it to this place. 616p minus 22 times 13. That will be 286 equals to 71 times 8. That will be 568p 71 times 2. So we have minus 142. We can group like terms. This is bigger than this, so 616p. We bring in this as minus 568p equals to maintain this as negative 142. Sometimes as we are transferring, we think that will also be positive, but it will be negative as it is negative, then you remain it the same. Then this negative become positive 286. So we have 616 minus what we have 568. That should be 48p equals to what we have there is 286 minus 142 is the same thing. That gives you 144. So divide both sides. 48p by 48, 144 by 48. Let's see what that will give us. That means that your p will be what? 3. So we can only conclude that, therefore, the value of p is going to be 3. It means that we can change all of this to 3 plus this 5, 3 minus this 2. We can change all of this and come back and solve the formula and arrive as what? 71 over what? 22. Just like the formula, the mean has been given in the very beginning. And I'm sure you understood what went into each steps. If you are still not clear with any particular steps, try to hit us in the comment section. This is a platform for learning. So whatever that is a challenge, ask the question so that we keep learning together. Subscribe on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, follow on Facebook, share with somebody, like the video, and leave a comment.